Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Sheglam eyeshadow palette. So it just looks like this. So Sheglam is from the company Shein. I always have trouble saying that because I always want to pronounce it Sheen, but it is Shein. So this is like the palette that we're going to use today because as you can see, I've already done the eye look. I also got another palette from the same range and it is like all blues and greens. So if you want to see that video, then leave me a comment in the comments box, not the description box. I also got like a few other bits. I got this little quad. This is dead cute. This is the Cosmic Crystal Eyeshadow Quad in Charm School. Now these look like the ones that Colourpop just brought out, don't they? So that one was, let me get the price for this. Okay, so I've just pulled up the price for this. So they usually do have like a 20% discount code. So if there's not like one on the website, just hold out for one. They're very, often on there. So it was normally £3.49 and I paid £2.80 with discount. It's like such a little bargain for £2.80. I also got 3 of these eyeshadow palettes. They were, let's just see, they should have been £4.49. I paid £3.60 with the discount, and these look like Natasha Denona, don't they? So I got like this pinky rosy kind of colour one. This is in hashtag grapeful. That's cute. And then I got this other one, which reminds me of the Natasha Denona, is it called the Cranberry palette? This one is called Night Spell. And then also this one, which is, a very similar colour theme to what I've got on my eyes today. So it just looks like this with the greens and yellows. And this one's called So Sublime. So these are all the eyeshadow palettes I got. I got 6 eyeshadow palettes and my order still wasn't that expensive neither because I did buy some other stuff as well. But if there's anything out of these that you want to see like reviews and tutorials on, let me know. I am thinking of doing like a full face of like Sheglam makeup, so if that's of interest as well, let me know because yeah, I'll probably be interested in doing that as well. Okay, so this is the makeup look, so let's get to it. This is the palette we're going to be using today. It's the Mexico City Stay Fuego palette in the Sheglam range and looks like this inside. So what I love about this palette is it has the names on it. There's not like a silly piece of plastic with the names written on that I'll take out and lose. There was the plastic on, but obviously I've just binned that. So yeah, we have some really pretty colours in this palette. I do wish this brand was a little bit deeper, but we can still work with this palette. So what I think I'm going to go into and do first, I'm going to take this shade. So it's called Guacamole. It's like that lime green colour, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. I also got this teeny weeny mirror as well, so I will be using that today. This was £1.50. It's super cute. I'm just building that shade up a little bit. It is doing really nicely, it's blending really well, and it's not patchy at all. So the green is on. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm going to go into that yellow shade, which is called Amazed. This shade here, and I'm only just going to put a tiny little bit of it, blending it into that green, just like so it kind of back blends a little bit. So yeah, blends out any kind of harshness and just gives like a little pop of yellow as well. Go into the green shade now. It's called Cha 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 Chili or Cha Cha Chili, and just put that, deepen up the crease a little bit and the outer corners of the eye as well. off camera I just went and cut my crease a little bit, and not all the way but just a bit. And I'm going to go in with 2 of the shimmers here. So there's 3 shimmers in this palette. I'm going to go in with Cactus Glow, this one here, and Good as Gold. So I'm going to put this one closer to the outer part of my lid, and then this one to the inner corner. I am back. I've put some more makeup on and finished the rest of my face. We are going to go back into this palette. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, this like nice plummy colour called Sangria Kisses, and just put that on my lower lash line. I have finished up the lower lash line. I put that Sangria Kiss on, followed by some liner and a little bit of mascara. I didn't explain before that I did use that plummy kind of colour just because it's like, you know, a bit of an alternative to these, and yeah, it just looks a little bit more striking than if I did use maybe like say a brown colour or this mint colour here. So I'm very happy with the look and how it's turned out. The mattes blended really well. They were very pigmented. The shimmers were really nice. I don't know how well you can see on my eyes, but they went on really nicely. I didn't have to use my fingers, which is a benefit for me. And you know, the payout on them is really pretty. These palettes are normally £6.99. I ended up paying £5.60 because they usually have like a 20% discount on, which is brilliant. So I think for £5.60 this is a good little buy, because if you think that like say Revolution can charge like £6 for an eyeshadow palette and it's a little bit hit and miss, I think this was really good. So I definitely think these are worth checking out. Okay, so that's all from this video. I really enjoyed using this palette. I have some more Shein and Sheglam products to review and use in current upcoming videos, so stay tuned for those because I'm hopefully going to get back into filming soon. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.